In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to download Laravel 4 from GitHub and get it working with your MAMP Pro installation. I'm not going to do a lot of hows and whys in this. There's plenty of other screencasts and tutorials that will cover that. This is basically just a step-by-step on what I do to get it working with my installation, and hopefully it will work with yours. But before we can download and install Laravel, we need to install Composer. So let's go to getcomposer.org and click on Getting Started. And we'll scroll down to the Globally section. We want to install Composer globally. So let's copy this first command, go over and create a new terminal window and paste it in there. Now, I already have Composer installed, so what you're seeing here may look different from what you see on your system. Okay, so now that's finished. Let's go ahead and copy the second command, go back to terminal, paste it in there, and hit return. Okay, that's done. Now, let's go to Laravel.com. We'll click on the GitHub link, and we'll download the Laravel zip from GitHub. I'm going to save this into my sites folder and unzip it, get rid of the zip, and I'm going to rename this new site because that's the name of my new website. Let's go ahead and clear out the terminal window. Now what I want to do in the terminal is change directories into the new site directory. Okay, so now that I'm in here, I need to install Composer for this particular project. So I'm going to type in Composer install and hit return and then wait for Composer to install. Okay, Composer has installed, so let's go ahead and open up our new site directory. And we're going to go into the app directory, then the config directory, and then we're going to open up app.php. What we want to do here is we want to change the application URL from localhost to newsite.loc. Let's go ahead and close that. We're going to go back one directory, and now what we want to do, I'm going to clear this out again, is we want to take this storage directory and make it writable. So we'll do sudo chmod recursive so that everything underneath that, inside that storage directory is writable. 0777 space, and I'll drag storage in there so we have the full path. Hit return, enter my password, and we're done with that. So now I'm going to go ahead and go over to MAMP Pro. I'm going to create a new host, newsite.loc. I'm going to grab the document root, which is in sites, new site, public, choose, save, and start the servers. Now, let's go ahead and open up our browser and see if the site's working. And there's our Laravel installation.